Hello guys, today we are going to see the single vendor admin panel in Commerceda. So how to access single vendor admin panel to gathering the all details through front end. So first of all, we are going to see the dashboard overview. So in dashboard you can see the today's sales and earnings, everything, order ID, everything it will updating in the dashboard section. So after that you should add the products one by one. So before adding the product you should create the brands. So in brand section just type the brand name and upload the logo. So the URL slug will be created automatically. So after adding, so the brand will be displaying that. After that you should create the menu section like this one. For example, as of now I am using the menu name will be A1 mobiles. In category section I can type just A1 mobiles. So the URL slug will be created automatically. If you enter the space, it will take in the space like hyphen and mobiles. You don't enter the space here. That's all. So if you want to reflecting the main menu here like electronics, if you want main menu, you should select top level. If you choose top level, while adding that, it was reflecting in the front end like here. So if you want to add sub menu, like just click add A1 sample. A1 sample. So I'm choosing A1 mobile. Add. So the front end will be showing like A1 sample. So if you want to add more under the sub menu, A2 sample. So you should select A1 sample. So A1 sample, A2 sample. So it was reflecting like this. So after that you can select the categories. So the categories part was done actually. So after that we are going to see how to add the products. So here the product name. Right now I'm using for the MI mobiles for example testing. So I given the title. So slug URL will be created automatically. So you don't need to change like space or anything. So after that I'm moving. After that you should enter the SEO title. Best mobiles. So you should enter the SEO description and keyword electronics. If you enter the keywords one by one like comma, mobiles, MI, like that. So after that we choose the category. So it was reflecting under A1 mobiles. So brand, choosing MI. So you should enter the total cost of the product like 12,9. So you are offering the sum of discount like 10,000. So after that the dashboard created like each product you should enter the delivery charges. If no fee means you should just blank or 0. If example I'm charging 10 rupees, you should enter whatever the 10 rupees or 20 or 100 you should add it here. And the pin code section, so it depends upon the area codes. like the Tamil Nadu, the start will be like 6 lakh. So Bangalore start will be 5 lakh 6, like that you should enter this. Like if example I'm choosing Bangalore, like Karnataka, I enter like this, comma, for Chennai I'm choosing 6 lakh, like this. So you should enter like that. So whatever area you entered in this place, it was reflecting in that front pin code. So I will show you after that. So if you want the feature product are available or out of stock, you should click that here. So you want regular or featured, you can click here. The future product showing like that here. If you want regular, it will come under by one. So after that I'm selecting feature. So I am adding the main image. So main image, second one gallery. The image you can use any size, like a rectangular 1000 into 1000 size, or 1500 into 1500 with rectangular square image. So you can add a multiple unlimited images. So after that I am entering the filter section. So filter section, if I am searching here mobiles, so here it will be showing like filter, but after entering it will showing like RAM 4 GB storage. The key value is same, so you can use the key name, it's the same name of a variant group ID, 16 GB. Black. So you can enter unlimited groups ID actually. So after that we should enter the content here. So you just, if you have content, you can just copy paste like that. So after that in description, if you have content, you can just copy paste, that's all. You can modify everything here. You can modify the font, everything you can modify here, like click normal, anything you can do that here. So like font, link, alignment, everything in this section you can do that. So I'll after that adding. So I'll add the product here. So I'm going to see the front end. So I choose featured, and I can see here while clicking that. So the URL select, it will be showing like that. So after that I'm zooming the product. So everything you can do it here. So already I told you like a pin code section. So if I'm choosing like 4, so it was showing. Like if I'm choosing some like different one, the product is not available for this region. So since I'm adding the was, if you want, if you add, you can go add it here, like Delhi. Just you need to enter like that, like hashtag. So I'll updating. So right now the pin code was showing. So now it's showing the Delhi area. So you can add the each state starting pin code, you should enter like that. So after that you can create a duplicate product. If you add the multiple products, so you can create a multiple one. So if you want change the RAM, so you can change that in each product, like whoever change the pricing, everything you can change that after duplicating. So I'll duplicating the product, so everything it will be showing in front end in featured section. Email Smt Setup. So just enter the Smt host name, port number, username and password, and also If you use this email SMT setup, you don't need to do the authentication anything in your business email. So just enter the subject email and use the same email and update it here. So as we thought the front end, so this banner reflecting like you can these two banners and three cursors, the slider block. So two images you should add it from here. So and three central cursors you should add it from here and choose the top one, like sort order will be 0. So you can choose one by one, the sort order will be 0. So you are reflecting that. So after that you can payment section, just you can choose the change the currency. If you want to change any currency like USD, euro, you can change, just enter the currency and enter the key, Razorpay key or whatever. So if you want to do the connecting with additional payment gateway like PayU or cash free or anything, we will do that in manually. We will deliver the and footer. So just you enter the name whatever you need, like menu title, link, everything you can enter that, and it will reflecting your home, about, Commerceda, everything. Like if you want create another one, just enter the details. So if you want create multiple pages like about us, refund policy, everything, you can create a static pages here. Like example, I'm adding refund policy. So the link was created. So you can enter the content. So just I'm adding after that opening the link. So it was reflecting that. So you should add it from here. If you add it and update here. So it was reflecting like a front end here, refund policy. So the patch discussed, and after that, so this is all the overall function view of admin panel. So after that we are going to see the user section. So as a user, while adding the product, so I am searching the product whatever. If I am clicking buy now directly, it was going to the sign up page actually. So I am the new user entering my details. So while entering the all details, you can choose click register. As of now, we set the OTP in admin panel, since we are this is for demo section only. So that's what. So for mobile OTP, just for the demo purpose, you can use 1 2 3 4 5 6. But the mail will be created random. Okay, the account was verified. So after that, I'm login as a user, and so after that I'm going to purchase the product. So just checking the pin code feature. So the reflecting, you can cancel here. You can add the multiple quantity. So just now, so if you don't want, you can just click the cart and remove that. It all showing like that. So again I'm adding the product. So I need to buy 2 mobile. So delivery charges for product is 100, so it all showing like a 300. So place order, I'm adding the address. Chennai. Just enter the details like Chennai street, something whatever. You should just enter the pin code. enter the all details, just click add it here. So if you want to add multiple address, you can click new. Okay, cancel. Just I'm choosing next. So I'm choosing. So here showing the total summary of delivery charges, everything. So next, just if you want cash on delivery, you just click here. I'll pay with Razorpay. So just I'm clicking net banking. So it's showing success, whatever. So this is for the test payment gateway. So order has been created. So after order created, so I can go and check my profile. So you should update your details here. And my orders, it was showing. So I'll clicking invoice. So you can see, you can get the copy of invoice. So address, you can add the multiple address moreover. So reviews rating management here. So you should deactivate the user in that section. So you can click order section, you can see that here. So order ID, everything. So you can dispatch, deliver or cancel, you can do anything, or place, dispatch, everything. So it's a manual control. So this is the overall control of user end and order section. So if you have any doubts for admin panel and user end, you can contact below email ID and phone number. Thank you for watching.